You know, if you are in a normal state of material consciousness, as a majority of the people, they will not even recognize what is good and what is bad, and they will be just driven by the taste and addiction and desires to eat something sweet and something salty, and they will keep eating that, and it will even get their nervous system and energy lower and in a bad situation, and it's like you are going down the spiral. But if you are really enlightened, there are stories about enlightened people that were testing or they were tested by a normal people, like by a king in India. This enlightened wise man was invited to a table with the king, and they offered him even a meat for dinner, even though they knew that he is vegan and he eats very little and he is an enlightened person. But he ate everything and it doesn't affect him. And then he explained that because he said, I can eat whatever I want. And because I eat it with a clear mind and purpose, and it doesn't affect me anymore. I can eat whatever I want. I can eat even an animal flesh, even though for a normal people that are on the way to enlightenment, it's not recommended, because ahimsa, like don't hurt anyone else, and psychologically and also physically, it's not good for your body, because you are creating a lot of waste in your body. So you need to always think about different levels of experience and the existence. So that
If you reach like a certain level, it doesn't affect you.
it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. It doesn't control you. It can't affect you. So that's why some of these advanced people, they don't eat nothing, or they eat very little, some fruits, and some can eat whatever you offer them. Especially in India, is that if you are invited to someone and you are offered something, it's kind of rude not to take it. So the people, maybe they haven't eaten for a year, and then they will take a piece of meat and they will eat it, and it will not affect them. But yeah, for us, it's like we should think about it. It's really destroying the body, and especially these artificial flavors and processed food. It's not good for us, and it will create that fog in your mind. You can't see clearly, and then you start deciding according to the first block, the first limit that we were talking about at the beginning. It's actually about that you are under control of your drives and your instincts. And this is not intuition, this is instinct. That's different. That, yeah, my body wants something sweet, so I will eat 10 kilos of ice cream because my body wants it, so I will give it to it. But this is not intuition, this is not an insight, this is stupidity and laziness and your drives, basically instinct drives, because sweet and fat was very rare in the past for most of the time of humanity, and so we crave for it because we knew that this was the way to survive, to eat something sweet and something with a lot of fat will help you to survive long term. In the past, when there wasn't enough food for everyone, and therefore we are driven by our primal instincts to crave for sweet, and because it's something we need that fuel for our brain and for our body. But yeah, if you have already full capacity filled to 100% and then you keep eating, it's not healthy anymore. It's not for survival. Yeah, that was a question for you. If you want to think about it, what do you want to overcome? What's your biggest issue? What's the thing that you've always wanted to do or make and decision to do, and you've never done it because you fear something? To do the change, to do the first step, to create something, or what are you afraid of? What would you like to overcome and to do some next step in your path? Make a plan how you get over it. For today.